Fiable Hydraulics. Power and precision engineering.
At Fiable Hydraulics, precision isn't just part of what we do. It's something we stand by. Fiable Hydraulics is a trusted name in hydraulic solutions, built on engineering expertise and dependable performance. It all starts with the right materials, carefully selected to ensure strength, durability, and long service life. With advanced CNC and precision machining, every stage of our process is controlled for accuracy. Each component is manufactured within tight tolerances, so performance remains consistent across every batch. Our technicians bring it all together with close attention to detail and a clear understanding of the application requirements. Our hydraulic cylinders are built for strength and precision, designed to perform reliably even in demanding operating conditions. Our hydraulic power packs are built for consistent performance, delivering stable and reliable operation across a wide range of applications. Every unit goes through thorough testing to ensure it meets required performance and quality standards. Because in practical use, reliability isn't optional, it's expected. The end result is a product that's built to last and ready to perform in real working environments. Our team focuses on understanding specific requirements and delivering solutions that align with real operational needs. Fiable Hydraulics, a dependable partner in precision engineering.